Are you looking for that perfect duplex opportunity down at Whistler Creek? Well, in Bayshores, which is just about a 1-minute drive south of Whistler Creekside, we've got 2225 at Brandywine Way. Let's go on in and have a look. And we're just in the carport here, covered carport, and let's go on in to 2225 Brandywine Way and have a look. We've got our sort of an entry mudroom here, and this door leads down to a nice big storage area. We've got a crawl space down here. Lots of storage for bikes and anything else you might need. Big workshop area as well. So lots of great storage in this property with an exterior access to that zone. And we'll head back up. Again, here's the entry mudroom zone. And as you come in, we've got bathroom. And that's actually a half bathroom. And then this is the sauna being used as storage, as many saunas do in Whistler. Not everyone's into saunas. And as we come through to kitchen, and you've got just a little pass through here looking out to the dining room. And as we come in here, there's our photographer, Scott Brammer.
Hello.
All right, hey Scott. And out here, we've also got deck. And this is Brandywine Way. So you just come up from the highway here in Bayshores, up Brandywine Way, which loops right around the property here and goes back up the hill. That's the bedrooms are on the upper level there, 3 bedrooms, one with its own deck. And you've got wood fireplace, nice open zone here with your dining room here, kitchen we just saw. Now just head upstairs and take a look at the bedroom zone. We've got 3 bedrooms upstairs. So one here, lots of closet space. And you move along to bathroom with tub. You've got washer dryer right here. This door actually goes through to the other bedroom right here. Currently, they have that blocked off. They've got a desk here. And this is the bedroom with the deck. So this overlooks Brandywine Way. And then we move over to bedroom number 3. So this is a nice little bedroom here. We've got a little office set up here on this one. The tenant's got his desk in there. Thanks for joining me on this tour of 2225 Brandywine Way, a duplex in Bayshores, just south of Whistler Creekside. Now, if you have any questions about this property or any others in Whistler, you can reach me at the contact details in the description below, and we'll see you guys in the next video.